guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be vlogging. I'm not sure what this vlog is going to be entailing. Hi Jamie baby. I'm vlogging. Do you want to vlog with me? Okay. Come on babe, say hi to my people.
Hi, my white people. I don't know who's your people.
Hi, say hi James.
Hi.
How are you guys?
In the middle of pee-pee.
Yeah.
Pee-pee,
So yeah, he's watching Blippi.
Yeah.
I don't know why we are making ourselves suffer. We're not really suffering, but like
Mommy.
we refuse to turn the air on.
It's dirty now.
Jamie?
Yeah, I'm dirty. I'm dirty now.
Okay. Go sit under the fan to cool up, to stay cool. The thing about it is, the basement is freezing. Like not freezing, but it's cold. But it's warm up here, which is the second level, and then it's freaking hot upstairs. I was supposed to record today, or film today, but like that heat is a hell no. I am not doing that. But then again, I'm like, I could just go turn the air on, but it's not really technically summer. Is it summer yet already on June 2nd?
Well,
what date?
For we that work in the school, we're already on summer break.
So summer already pretty much started, I guess. But anyways, it's just June, like the beginning of June, but like it's not really hot and it's not like crazy cold. So it's like in between. Jamie?
Never too late to be kind and love everyone the way you would like to be loved.
Yeah. Stop crying, okay? Settle down. Settle down, okay? What was I even saying? Okay, so it's hot. I'm a bit sweaty, but it's not hot to the like unbearably. It's kind of hot to the point of being uncomfortable, you know?
Babe, you said this is good, right?
Dear God, make my life matter to you. Yeah, it's good to me. I like it. Black Lives Matter. Maybe God will listen to our prayers and it will matter to him.
Because, I don't know, this shit has been happening for how many years ago?
Over 400 years.
I don't even know why we have gone that way with this luggage or things that we have no idea.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm more full of questions of what to ask God. Like, why are we in this situation?
Yeah.
I don't leave them and say that I want to come to this world in black color now.
Oh, totally.
You just born with this luggage, this and you just treat so
As if you are the one that said, oh, it's just so. Anyways, we're talking about the drama, the issue, the problem that we humans are dealing with right now. All of us, and the more we think about it, the more I think about it, the more it makes me sad. Really, actually sad, disappointed, confused, scared, distraught. Just so many everything that you could think of that is not so, that doesn't put you in a good mood. That's how I'm feeling. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next clip. I don't know what this vlog is all about, but see you guys soon.
I love the way she moves, yeah. When she's watering our garden with her headphones, singing off key Ariana through the window, and I can't help but hum along. And you and I could stay in on a Saturday night. We don't gotta go out just to have a good time.
What did you drop? You dropped my thing? Oh yeah, go pick it up.
We don't need that much to have the time of our lives.
Come on, it's not heavy. Pick it up, put it all the way back. Should not have messed with it in the first place. Alright, yeah, don't mess with it again, okay? Oh yeah, away from my stuff. Thank you. Let's go get you ready. Come on. You're gonna brush your teeth. You are itchy because you need to shower. Come on, let's go. Oh yeah, climb up. You're itchy? Your body is itchy? Okay, let me scratch for you. Okay? Is it better now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not bad now.
It's not better?
No.
Okay, Pele. We will shower. That way it will be gone, okay? Alright, let's go. All dressed up? Let's go get some food. Let's go make something to eat. Come on.
We don't gotta go out just to have a good time. All we need is take out in the
Get those ones. Pick that up.
We don't need
Thank
that
you.
much to have the time of our lives.
We gotta clean up this everywhere. Alright, great. Now, you gotta pick up all your toys, okay? Be careful. I didn't say play. I said get the books, please. Get the books and the papers and everything.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Yeah, yeah.
We got nowhere.
And here's a new trick. Mr. Knox. Socks on chicks and chicks on fox. That's Mr. Knox. And this is Fox. He's not happy.
I'm not happy.
Bim is happy. Ben is happy. Fox is happy. Mr. Knox is not happy. Okay?
Yeah. No, coffee.
They broke their brooms.
No.
Ben's band, Bim's band, big bands, pig bands. Bim and Ben lead bands with brooms, with a bowl. They cover his head with a bowl
No.
and a cymbal. Clans, shakers. Can you say battle?
Yeah.
Say battle.
Apple.
Yeah. Can you say puddle?
Yeah.
Say puddle.
Apple.
Buttle.
Apple.
Muddle.
Apple.
All right, we're almost done. Let's finish this part. See? That's Mr. Knox telling Mr. Fox, wait a minute,
Wait a minute.
on a noodle eating puddle.
Yeah.
This is what they call
Yeah.
a twiddle beetle,
Yeah.
noodle poodle,
Yeah.
bottle paddle,
Yeah.
muddle duddled,
Yeah.
fuddled waddled,
Yeah.
fox in socks, sir.
Yeah.
All right, Fox in Socks, our game is done. Sir, thank you for a lot of fun. Sir, the end. High five, all done.
Hi, Papa.
Bye-bye.
Mama's gonna go to church now, okay?
See you. No, I'm a kid.
You don't wanna kiss mommy?
No. Sorry, it's hot.
It's hot.
It's hot.